So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. My name's Dylan. I'm the founder of the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for 40,000 subscribers on this channel. We are growing so fast. I drive for Uber, I drive for Lyft, so many food delivery platforms as well, too many to name. There's about 400 of them at this point. But today's video, we're celebrating 40,000 subscribers by telling you how to contact Uber support in the app. You don't need to go to an Uber hub. You don't need to contact them on Twitter. I'm gonna tell you how to do it on the Uber app, how to actually talk to somebody on the phone or on message. This is the #1 way to contact somebody on the Uber driver app. Contact somebody, get your issue resolved quickly. If you ever get falsely deactivated, if you get a bad rating, you wanna get it removed. If you ever have a bad passenger, I recommend calling support. This is great just to know in an instant. I'm also going to leave you with Uber's phone number so you can call them at any time. Save this number on your phone. Okay, let's get started. Give the video a big thumbs up so more people can see this video. If you click the thumbs up button, YouTube pushes it out to a wider audience. And if you just like short, quick, simple, to the fact videos, please leave the video with a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Okay. Here we go. Also, if you do want help, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back, contact a lawyer through Cover. If you use my link, you get 30 days for free, which is super awesome. So basically, you're being able to talk to a lawyer for free. Use my link to sign up for Cover if you want to get reactivated to Uber. Here we go. So this is how I'm going to tell you how to sign up or how to contact Uber, right? So you're in your Uber driver app. This is probably what yours looks like. I'm in Orange County, California. They have all this stuff here. What you want to do is you're going to either have two options. Either have 3 lines in the top left or your profile picture in the top right, I believe, or it might be switched around. I don't know why it's not the same everywhere, but whatever it is, click on these 3 lines, then scroll down and click on help, or sometimes there will be a question mark, but click on help. Or the question mark or whatever, and then what you want to do is you want to go to the very bottom under support center and either call support. This is the number right here. Save this in your phone. This is Uber's phone number, 1-800-593-7069. Now, at least in my area currently, because of the illness, I don't want to say that word, but they are only accepting calls Monday through Friday during business hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., something like that. I know because I tried to call on Saturday and they said, we are not, because of social distancing, you need to call back during Monday through Friday, whatever. So just keep that in mind. So then when you go back here under the help section, this is how you contact Uber support. So they have a variety of options right here. So whatever you need, help about trip issues and adjustments. If you found an item in your car, issue with your fare, that's a very common one. Issues getting trip requests, issues with a rider. Let's just say click on this one, for example, issue with the rider. My rider was rude. My rider made me feel unsafe. My rider made me feel unsafe. And then what you want to do, this is just an example, then click on this, type out whatever it is, and then click submit. And then once you do that, you can do that for any of these options. Once you do that, then it will go into your messages. So this is the support messages, and then you will receive a message back under your messages. And then what you can do is essentially create a conversation and ask them anything. So what I like to do, I know I'm kind of cheating the system, kind of hacking the system, but if I ever have a general question, as long as I can start a conversation with a representative, then you can ask them anything, right? So just, you know, click on one of these issues. You know, you're having an issue with something, and then it'll create a conversation. You can ask them any issue you have. That way you have, you know, all your issues answered. Save this video, bookmark this video anytime you need to contact Uber support so you remember how to do it. Again, the phone number is linked in here too. I'm gonna leave some links down below this video. Sign up for Cover to get paid time off, sick leave, all of that good stuff. But anyways, give the video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. That helps me get this video viewed by more people so more people can get quick access to Uber. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye guys.